If you want to install VPN app on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first we can just open the Play Store. Over here at the bottom we're gonna use the search option, and then we're gonna use the search field at the top. Now, if you are just looking in general for VPN apps, then you can just type VPN in here and you should be able to find pretty huge list of different VPN apps that you can try. And if you're looking for something specific, then of course you can just provide the name of the VPN app that you're looking for. In my case, I'm gonna use this app over here. I'm gonna show you how more or less it works. It is pretty straightforward, so I'm gonna install it. But of course, feel free to try anything else from the Play Store in order to try to find the VPN app that works the best for you. So I'm gonna open it now over here. And usually we have like a small setup. In some cases, VPN apps require you to create an account. In some cases, you can just continue as a guest, which is very convenient. So I'm gonna tap on continue as guest in here. And now these apps, they can be of course free or paid. And usually if you have like a free VPN app, it provides some very basic features, but of course, usually it is good enough to use it if you just want to have like a VPN connection. Now, you might also find like offers or something, so in this case I can just tap on and not now over here in order to continue. And then you should be able to connect to a server. Now in this case we can connect to a random free server. You can of course tap on a change server if you want to change to a different country. And we can also of course check out settings for the app and so on and so forth, so be sure to do that in order to make some adjustments if necessary, of course. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.